Today we're going to show you how to make this nutritionally enhanced noodle pot using our functional ingredients. To make the noodles, we're using complex 18, one of our wheat proteins, Cilia WF90, our wheat fibre, bread flour, water and salt. First, add the dry ingredients to a mixer and combine for a few minutes. Add in the water and mix for around 8 minutes until a dough is formed. Allow this to rest for 30 minutes. After resting, put the dough through a pasta roller to create a thin sheet. Keep rolling until it can be fed through on the thinnest setting. Then feed the dough through a cutter setting to create the noodles. Dry the noodles on a pasta rack for a minimum of 2 hours. Boil the noodles for 60 seconds, then immediately add to a bowl of iced water to cool them. Drain the noodles and set aside. Next, we're going to make the katsu curry sauce. For this, we're using Synergy L526, one of our tapioca starches, Delight 9, another of our tapioca starches, oil, soy sauce, garlic and ginger, a curry spice mix, salt, sugar, water, and coconut milk. First, slurry the Synergy L526 and Delight 9 with the water. The Synergy L526 thickens the sauce, whereas the Delight 9 adds indulgence and mouthfeel. Fry off the spices, garlic and ginger in the oil until fragrant. Then add the coconut milk, soy sauce, sugar and salt. Add the starch slurry and bring up to 80 degrees Celsius whilst continually stirring. Hold for 2 minutes. This activates the starch to thicken the sauce. For the topping of the noodle pot, we've used our latest ingredient, Complex Zero. We've combined this with garlic, ginger, chili and soy sauce to give an Asian flavour. Fry off the Complex Zero in a bit of oil, then add in the flavourings and fry for around 10 minutes until coloured and fragrant. Complex Zero is a plant-based and clean label alternative to meat. It is made entirely from legumes, so is rich in both protein and fibre, providing a great nutritional profile to the noodles. Now we can assemble the noodle pot. Start by layering sauce, noodles, vegetables, and top it off with the Asian flavoured Complex Zero. This can be easily microwaved when ready to be eaten. The pot provides 28 grams of protein, 19 grams of fibre, is fully plant-based and HFSS compliant. To learn more about nutritionally enhanced snacking concepts, join us on our next webinar